Check out this 574 Crystal Drive home, completely updated, located on Crystal Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,446 square foot of Italian porcelain. Even the garage is tiled. It has a two-car garage. It's a waterfront home with a 10,000-pound boat lift and stunning updates in every room with custom cabinets, granite counters, matching all throughout the home. It has an open floor plan and beautiful sunsets right out over the water in the backyard, seen through the living room and master bedroom. Italian tile flooring, as I've mentioned, porcelain, dimmable LED lighting and ceiling fans, a new saltwater pool, and a new seawall. All new hurricane windows, and the master bedroom has its own climate control. It has a tankless hot water heater, a gas stove, an outdoor grill, a large ice maker, convection oven, and a beautifully designed complete renovation. If you'd like to see this house, call Alex Williams at 727-418-1570. Let's tour this home today. I think you'll really like it.